Hello and welcome back to the SplashWorks Pool Spa YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this. In today's video, we'll be showing you what the Recirculate mode on your sand filter does. When changing the filter setting on the sand filter, ensure that the pump is always turned off when doing so. When the filter is set to Recirculate mode, water is drawn in through the skimmers as it normally does in filter mode. However, once passing through the pump where most of the major debris is removed, the water re-enters the pool while bypassing the filter entirely. Generally speaking, the Recirculate mode is not used by pool owners very often. However, it can be a great tool when treating the pool. For example, after applying a clarifier or a shock to the pool, you may wish to circulate the chemicals into the pool water without them being absorbed in the filter. This setting can also be helpful when troubleshooting with the sand filter while continuing to have some filtration and circulation within the pool so as not to cause any issues. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos we upload.